Let's take a look at leadership succession. In a well-managed organizations, replacement for executives who leave are chosen through leadership succession, the process of identifying and grooming people to replace managers. Succession planning is vital to long-term health of an organization and therefore an important responsibility of senior leadership. Before a key person leaves, planning is done in an orderly way over time. Succession planning is linked to leadership development in two important ways. First, being groomed as a successor is part of a leadership development strategy. Second, the process of choosing and fostering a successor is part of a manager's own development. Here are some factors in terms of effective succession leadership planning: how the board chooses a new officer, the essential aspects of leadership succession, developing a pool of successors, promotion from within, and effective leadership development programs. Understanding these factors will lead to more success in new appointments to leadership positions.